everybody, welcome to another reaction. This is Such a Cut Man Fights a Bird. This is another one of these Such a Cut Man videos. It says 82,000 views, but has 43,000 likes. I don't know why my like thing's being weird. It just is, but yeah, it's just check out the original. I'm really excited to see how this is gonna be. There's actually subtitles on it too, which is really cool to see. Check out the original. Let's just get into it. Oh. The music. Bagel the pigeon. Assuming that's the bird. Like he's climbing up the building, the tower. Look at that sunset. I love the music right now. Like, look at that. That's just great. Trumpets. Oh, he didn't even make it up. He's just thinking it. But, what? Oh, bye. Oh, there's the bird. It has a straw. Oh, it's making a nest out. I made a nest out of white stuff. Cool. How dare you get up here? Get the. I'm screaming like Mario 64. That's great. He's like, I want to get up there and experience it, but he's like, what are you doing? Get down. This is my tower. Oh, that muffled, confused pigeon noise. I mean, that worked. Oh, this can't be good. It's probably gonna get up. Oh, what? Oh, we gotta. Damn. He's ready to brawl. No. On the ass. Oh. Ow. Ouch. He just has plenty of them on him. Damn, he just punched. Oh. You fucked up now. Ooh. Oh, grabbing his feet. Scratching it, yeah. That's fucking hard. Wow, he caught that. The fact you're losing is kind of sad. You did the pigeon gasp. You kind of asked for it, not gonna lie. It's so sad now. Uh-oh. He got down spiked. He got edge spiked. Damn, he's just pissed now. That's a decoy, I feel like. No, he's a. I don't know if I would fall for that. Of course, the businessman. Wow, he's just falling down. Oh look, he gave him. Oh, he gave him the helmet. He's like, I'll give you some space. Yeah, see, it works. There we go. Wait, what? I mean, to be fair, it's putting up quite a brawl, so. Nice. It did look like it was strong. That's just awesome. Of course, you like, can I have one? There you go. Nice. Bro. Oh, ow, look at that. He's like. Oh my lord, that's just great. He just comes up because that was his tower anyway, so. Oh my god, sorry. That was just too good.
Piemations,
yeah! Thank you for that. This was way too good. Just the bird just made it funny. just with them brawling out and whatnot. It was just so good. And then that ending right there with the businessman was way too good. Just with him coming in, he has the mark from when he got hit with the crowbar when he dropped it. He's like, no, you are not going to fight. You are not going to talk to him. Man, this was way too good. I really love to see that we got another one of these. I think it was more like a short based off it being 4.5 minutes. This is what I would count it because it's not like number or anything. It's more like a short, but I really liked it a lot. But yeah, thanks everybody for checking out. Be sure to smash the like button down below. Subscribe to Piemations. Check out the original down below. Thanks for the support. Besides, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.